Search engine rankings are important for any business, but it can be hard to know where to start. There are so many factors that go into search engine ranking, and most of them are out of your control. You need to work a strategy with the tools that you have available, not against them. The best way to improve your product's search engine rankings is by optimizing for search engines, running ads to your products, and promoting listings on social media. And before we get into the content, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you want to rank higher on Amazon's search engine and be on page 1, it's very important that you optimize your listing for the search engine. One of the big things that you can do is run ads to your products too, but it's very important that you have your keywords optimized in your listing. You can also use social media to promote your listing and attract new visitors. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to boost your listing search engine rankings and get more traffic coming in. Number 1, optimize your listing for the search engine. When you are optimizing your listing for the search engine, make sure that you're using your keywords throughout your listing. You can use them in the brand, title, bullet points, and description. You can also use different variations of your keywords so that your listing shows up for more searches. And this doesn't mean keyword stuff. You want to make sure that you're using keywords related to your niche. So this is going to take a little bit of work. What I recommend is research your niche, understand what your customers are searching for, and give them what they want. If you understand that right there, that is very, very powerful. And then any niche that you go into, you can dominate. One tip that I recommend is going to the search bar. The search bar is going to be your best friend when it comes to this. Typing in keywords and watching the search bar auto-populate for you. The Amazon algorithm is going to auto-populate long tail keywords, and it's going to give you an idea of what customers are searching in the search bar to find products. These are exact keyword phrases that people are searching in the search bar. So this is very powerful if you use this to your advantage. If you want to learn how to find keywords for merch by Amazon, watch this video right up here. Okay, I go in more into depth with finding keywords on Amazon. All right, number 2 is going to be running ads to your products. This is a great way to boost your search engine rankings on Amazon. I have done this over and over with products where I rank on page 3, and then as soon as I get a sale, I rank on page 1. So this is how powerful this is. And one of the most important things when it comes to this, you want to make sure that you have your keywords optimized correctly in your listing. Okay, you do not want to have random keywords that do not make sense with your product. If you do this, if you have wrong keywords that do not relate to your niche, you're obviously going to spend more money with advertisement, but not only that, you're going to hurt your chances of ranking closer to page 1. If you keep on showing a product with the wrong keywords in the listing, Amazon is going to think that the customers do not want that product, and they're going to push it back to page 10. And no one goes on page 10 to purchase a product. There are a few different types of ads that you can run to one product. There's an auto ad, there's a manual ad, there's a display ad, and there's a retarget ad. Now these are the ones that I mainly run to my products, and there's probably a few more different ads that you can probably run, but learning how to run an auto ad is probably important. Get your feet wet with running advertising, and learning the Amazon advertising dashboard on the back end is important too. You need to learn how to get comfortable back there, and spending money to rank your products is a powerful way to rank on the front page. Number 3 is promoting your listing on social media. This is an awesome way to attract more visitors on your listing. A lot of people struggle with this in the community, okay, when it comes to this type of stuff. But the most important thing here is you want to figure out where your audience is hanging out at. This can be TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. And this is important because if you figure out where they're hanging out at, it's so much easier to put a product in front of them. And don't be scared to create content for your audience. This is gonna separate you from everyone else, because a lot of people, they don't know what to do when it comes to this. But just doing it and getting out there is one of the ways to get more clicks on your products. And once you do that, figure that out, you can literally do whatever the heck you want after that. You can even just create your own website if you want. You can even tell your customers to search for a keyword phrase and make sure they purchase your product, right? And as far as creating content for your audience, you want to create stuff that they like, okay? Creating funny posts, stuff like that, and then asking, push a product out. Don't be spammy with the product and put a product out every single day. Create some content, like for 4 days, and then post something for them to buy. Create some more content for 5 days, and then post something for them to buy. Okay, the goal is to get them engaged and get them excited about, liking your posts and engaging with your content, because that's very important. Then you'll get more reach, more visitors to your listing, to your product, whatever you're doing, whatever you plan on doing with it in the future. And that's how powerful that is. And you just built your own audience, which is amazing. And here's an extra tip. Create designs that people want. This is going to take more time and effort, but if you understand what they want, you will make more money online. Now, some of the tools tools that I recommend, like I said before in this video, is, the Amazon search bar is going to be your best friend. And then if you want to go a little bit further with the paid tool, there's Merchant Farmer. I have that down below in the description. Make sure you sign up through my affiliate link with the coupon code. That's one of the best ways you can do research on Amazon with Merchant Farmer. They have so many different features with that tool, which is a really awesome tool. I recommend you check that tool out. And if you're looking to improve your search engine rankings in depth even more, I would check this video out right here.